Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to read an article published in India Today for all members of Hira Group. The article published on 6th July 2021. Dr. Nawera Sheikh, the female protagonist who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Dr. Nawera Sheikh, born in Tirupati on September 21, 1973, is the oldest daughter of Sheikh Nanne Sahab, who was a vegetable seller at the time of her birth. At the age of 19, she started working on women's causes and formed a small women's group at the local level. Nawera dreamed of opening a school for girls, but she lacked funds. After getting disappointed everywhere, she sold her ancestral house and established a residential school for girls. It was challenging for the daughter of a vegetable seller to open a school, but Nawera did not give up. Today, she is listed as one of the most influential and richest women in India. Her overall assets value around 100,550 crores. Formation of Hira Group. In 1998, Nawera Sheikh established the Hira Group of companies. Hira Group is a consortium of more than 20 companies dealing in diverse fields such as Hira Gold Exim, Hira Jewellers, Hira Textile, Hira Foodex, Hira Hajj and Umrah, Hira Fin Capital, Hira Granite, Hira Food Bazaar, Hira Developers, Hira Fancy World, Hira Electronics, Hira Gold Exports China, Hira Pure Drop, Hira Marts, Hira Tours and Travels, Hira Trading, Hira Building Material, Hira Export and Import, etc. Nawera Sheikh runs an interest-free business that deals in halal investment and has a diversified on an extensive scale. As the company's founder and CEO, Nawera Sheikh is working hard to operate the business with her dedicated and qualified team of professionals. The entire staff of Hira Group consists of 6,600 plus employees in India and 2,450 plus abroad. Total families associated with Hira Group are around 100,000. The group has not taken a single bank loan till date, and all its offices are self-owned properties. Work for women's causes. Women empowerment is the new slogan in Indian politics nowadays, with men and women working alongside in all spheres. Indian women are gaining control over their lives and resources, making independent decisions for their professional as well as personal life. Dr. Nawera Sheikh is one such woman who has been a role model for millions of women. As a young girl, she taught girls for free in her Islamic school. The journey of Dr. Sheikh is a message to many women who are striving to be successful in business. She is the female protagonist who knows to wise up even in the worst situations. Dr. Nawera Sheikh's total assets in Telangana state are worth 40,000 crores approximately, and her total worth stands for 100,550 crores rupees approximately. Entry into electoral politics. In 2017, Nawera Sheikh launched the All India Mahila Empowerment Party with the noble cause to promote and encourage women's participation in active politics. Her party has been giving special attention to women empowerment and security. Hira Group's properties turned into COVID-19 care centers. During the second wave, to deal with the shortage of beds and oxygen, Hira Group converted most of its properties into COVID care centers, where mild to moderate patients were treated. Hira Group Residential College in Tirupati was also converted into a 100-bed COVID-19 isolation center. Donation for Kerala flood victims. Hira Group has donated crores of rupees for the Kerala flood victims, out of which 1 crore rupees were donated to the Kerala CM Fund Relief Fund. Education centers for girls. Currently, Dr. Navera Sheikh runs many residential institutions for girls to educate them for free without charging any fees. Running such a big education institution can be quite challenging in itself. Navera Sheikh has funded and supported the weddings of many girls from poor families. Additionally, Navera Sheikh has a dream that more and more girls become IAS and IPS officers. She wants the women of the country to become active in social and political life. Many girls who took classes in coaching institutions supported by Hira Group have been selected in the Public Service Commission. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.